Hi Ultimate Gardeners, welcome back to the Ultimate Gardening channel. My name is Emmanuel Arcet, well known to be the Ultimate Gardener. Come join me in becoming an Ultimate Gardener day by day. So in today's exciting spotting video, I wanted to discuss upon a fruit plant that is not really well known in the garden industry, but it's the pink lemonade blueberry. If that title seems very vaguely familiar to you on my channel, it's because I showcased before a Eureka lemon tree that is called the pink lemonade tree. Basically what this term means is that the fruit is pink. You heard it right, that the fruit is pink. I have two varieties of fruits in my garden right now with that title, which is the pink lemonade Eureka lemon tree and the pink lemonade blueberry plant. I am super excited to add this addition to my garden because ever since I received the Eureka lemon that is variegated and is the pink lemonade one, my next goal was to get the second pink lemonade plant, which was the blueberry. I went to Lowe's yesterday and I actually found the plant and I was so delighted that I purchased it, and now I'm going to be showing you guys a full growing guide on it. So let's go ahead and jump right into this video. So here it is. This is the pink lemonade blueberry right here. It's actually truly pink and it's actually setting fruit right now. And a good fun fact is that this was grown at the DY Nurseries. If you heard that title before, I am an influencer for this wholesale company. They provide plants for Lowe's, Walmart, and Home Depot and all across the United States. And I absolutely love them. We weren't able to visit them recently due to a hurricane that passed through and our plans had to change. But hopefully we're aiming for spring to go visit them. So we're gonna go ahead and see if that works out. But I'm gonna go ahead and plant this in this container right here. It's a really good size container. So let me go ahead and bring the camera closer and let's go ahead and discuss about how to plant it, and then we'll discuss about care tips. So here I have a container right here that I filled up with soil and I added a bit of vermiculite in here. But a few things you need to keep notice is that your soil has to be well draining. It has to add some aeration into it, and you have to apply a beginner starter fertilizer for your fruit tree. I'm gonna be applying some earthworm casting tea to it, so I'll show you guys how to do that in a second. So make sure your container is a good decent amount of size, like about 3 times to 4 times bigger than the original container, because you want your blueberry to stay in here for quite a bit of time, as well as to have that freedom to grow out. So let me go ahead and plant this, and then let's just discuss about a growing guide. So I went ahead and I planted my blueberry in this container, and then after this video I'll water it in and fertilize it as well. So a few key tips you need to know on how to keep your pink lemonade blueberry alive and thriving is: number one, it has to be in a location that receives 6 to 7 plus hours of direct sunlight. Fruits need the necessity of light to grow and thrive. That's why a lot of them are go ahead and placed into different categories of amount of sunlight they need. So make sure you place this to at least 6 to 7 plus hours of direct sunlight. Number two is that their watering schedule does have to be set to at least receive watering every single day when it's newly planted for about a week and a half to 2 weeks. And once you see new growth and once you see fruit developing, then you can hold off and water it every single week, but make sure that soil is not constantly dry. Number three is that you do need to stay on top of fertilizing. Like it's in a container, the fruit is only going to give you what it receives. So make sure you give it the nutritious values that it needs in order to thrive. So make sure you apply nitrogen, potassium, all those great elements towards a fruit, which are usually carried through organic matter or organic compost. So make sure you apply that to your plant. Number four is that pruning is required once your plant gets too big and way too huge for your liking. Once you can always cut it back when necessary. If you live in an area where this plant is deciduous and it will go to sleep in your area, you could always go ahead and prune it back either during late fall, or you could do it in early spring where new signs of growth is shown, which is mostly what I recommend. So that's gonna be it for this exciting spawning video. If you learned something new, please leave a like down below, and while you're down there, please consider subscribing to the Ultimate Gardening channel to show us some support, as well as leave me any video suggestions you would like me to do in the comment section below, and I would gladly do them. Thank you all so much for watching this video, and never forget to grow big, Ultimate Gardeners. Bye guys.